In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Copytrades on Metatrader 5. We'll walk through downloading a copy trading expert advisor, placing it in the correct Metatrader folder, and making sure it shows up inside the platform so you can access it when you're ready to configure it. Start by opening your web browser. We're going to search for a Metatrader 5 expert advisor that supports copy trading. In the search bar, type Metatrader 5 expert advisor, ideally with the name of the copy trading tool or provider you trust. Whenever possible, use reputable sources such as the official marketplace or a verified vendor to avoid unsafe or outdated files. Check that the listing clearly states it's for MT5, not MT4. From the results, choose a reliable option and click Download. Most MT5 expert advisors come as X5 or .mq5 files. Save the file somewhere easy to find, like your Downloads folder. If it's a compressed archive, you'll extract it in a moment before moving it into Metatrader. Now, open Metatrader 5 on your computer. Make sure you're in the correct installation if you have multiple terminals. At the top left, click File, then select Open Data Folder. This opens the working directory that Metatrader 5 uses to store its scripts, indicators, and expert advisors. Inside that window, double-click the MQL5 folder, then open the Experts folder. This is the only place where expert advisors belong. Indicators go in a different folder, so placing the file here is important. Paste the downloaded .x5 or .mq5 file into the experts folder. If your download was a zip, extract it first and then paste only the expert advisor file. After pasting, go back to Metatrader 5. In the Navigator panel, find the Expert Advisors section. Click it to expand and look for the EA you just added. If it doesn't appear right away, it may need a quick refresh or a restart of the platform to load properly. At this point, the copy trading tool is installed and visible under Expert Advisors. Each provider has its own configuration steps, permissions, and risk settings, so be sure to review the documentation that came with your EA before running it. It's a good idea to test on a demo account first and confirm the EA's settings, match your broker symbols, contract sizes, and time zone. Keep an eye on spreads, position sizes, and any minimum balance recommendations from the provider. If you run into issues, double check that you downloaded the MT5 version, placed it in MQL5 experts, and that Metatrader is fully updated. That's it for installing and locating a copy trading expert advisor in Metatrader 5. Once you're comfortable with the provider's instructions, you'll be ready to proceed with configuration and monitoring.